Hey guys, in this video, I'm very excited to unbox these two boxes. As you guys can see here, I bought a bunch of cuboid Rubik's Cube. This is the 2x1 cube from Z-Cube. And here is also a cuboid cube, which is from Kiji, and it is a 3x2 cube. And finally, this is the 3x3x1 cube, also from Z-Cube. And here are the first move of these cuboid cubes. All of these cuboid cubes that I bought have a very good turning and a high quality product. If you guys interested to buy this bunch of cubes, link in the description below. I know this video might be a simple video from me, but thanks for watching guys.